Hi there, my name is Blake and I'm going to show you how to set up an example approval workflow using Portant data merge. So I've already set up a template that shows us an approval certificate, and I've created a form with questions for the user to provide approver's details. So what we have here is an automation setup that when a form response comes in, it will then create 2 emails depending on certain conditions. We'll go ahead and open the first email. This will be for the condition when the approval has not yet been received. So we can see that in our email we will ask the approver themselves to provide approval for the requester or the person who originally submitted the form. So we can see that we've set up conditions that we've labeled as not approved, and they have a simple rule that when the approved box, as you can see in our form, we have this approved box. When it is equal to no, we will then send this first email. We have a second email, and the conditions for this is when approved is equal to yes. So this is when the approver has confirmed that the requesting approval has been fine. So we'll go ahead and we'll also add the approver's email to this, and we'll just see that we are going to attach a document, which is the approval certificate that we are creating, and we have the condition for approved. So when approved equals yes. So we'll go ahead and save that, and we will submit our first form. So just for myself, and for the approver we will do also Blake at the same email, just for the sake of illustrating it. Obviously this has not yet been approved. We click submit, and this will trigger, based on our first email rules, to trigger an email to be sent to the approver specifically. So I'll go ahead and show you that. Just while we wait for this email. So action required, approval request for Blake Lockley. So we've asked for an approval to come in. Blake Lockley has requested, so hi also Blake, the approver. Blake Lockley has requested approval from you. Please provide approval using the following link. This will take us a link to the pre-fill, or not the pre-fill, but will provide us with a link to edit the URL. We could review whatever details we have in here, and we can say yes. So that should be a radio button. We'll go ahead and submit that. And based on our second email rule, we will then email the original requester their certificate that has now been approved by their designated approver. So, hi Blake Lockley, your request has been approved by also Blake. So we can go ahead and see our approval certificate, which is attached, and this is just a view-only Google Doc. So this certificate confirms that Blake Lockley has received the approval from also Blake. Thank you very much.